we'll guide you through how to create a ChatGPT trading bot. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to OpenAI's official website. You'll need to have an OpenAI API key, so log into your account or sign up if you haven't yet. Once logged in, navigate to the API section to create a new API key. This key is crucial as it allows your bot to interact with ChatGPT. Now, go to your favorite code editor on your computer and start a new Python project. Install the required libraries by opening your terminal and running the command pip install OpenAI pandas. This will set up the OpenAI and pandas libraries, which are essential for our trading bot. Next, you need to import these libraries into your script by typing import OpenAI and import pandas as PD at the top of your script. Now, let's set up the connection to the API. You can do this by using the command openai.api key equals your API key I, where you replace your API key with the actual API key you got earlier. With the connection set, define a function that sends prompts to ChatGPT and receives responses. For example, you can name it def-ChatGPT response prompt, and within it, use openai.chatCompletion.create to interact with the model. To start building your bot's logic, decide on a simple trading strategy. For instance, you can use historical stock data to make predictions. Load this data into your script using pandas and apply your strategy. Call the ChatGPT response function with a trading prompt like, based on the current market trends, should we buy or sell? The bot will provide you with guidance, which you can then use to simulate trades. Finally, test your bot thoroughly with historical data before using it with real trades. This will help you fine-tune its performance. And there you have it, your own ChatGPT trading bot. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.